Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to cancel a submitted e-invoice using SQL accounting software. You can cancel an e-invoice within 72 hours if there's a mistake in your submission e-invoice, or if the buyer rejects the invoice and you agree. It's easy and straightforward. Just follow these few simple steps. Let's begin. First, go to My Invoice, then click on Cancel Validated e-Invoice. Choose the reason for cancellation, then click Initiate Cancellation. If you decide not to cancel, simply click Keep Document to dismiss the dialog. Within 2 seconds, the e-invoice status will be updated to Cancelled. And that's it. We've successfully cancelled a validated e-invoice using SQL accounting software. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.